gotten our surprise teens.
Yay! You guys are so excited for these. So at Christmas time, we got for Christmas the two big first, not teens. They were bigger dolls, they were teens, they were 11 inches, and they're different than these 5 that you can collect, but they're the same size, and they were teens. But they came in the big packs, like the $70 packs, the big circular ones. So I'll link that video because we compared those two, so we have those two. And now we're trying to collect the teens, but when we made that video, I didn't know these were coming out yet, and I was like, oh my gosh, we should have, like, they should make more this size. We loved them. We really loved them. And then literally, like, the next day, they announced they were coming out, and I was like, oh my gosh. And so we're really excited for these. We want to collect the full set of 5. So we have 2 of them here, and we have 1 Cocoa Bomb Sparkle that we opened already, and so I'll show her to you in a second. Don't miss her video in the description box. So we're just doing 2 kind of each video. We have 2 more to collect after this, and then we'll do like a full set video where we'll show you all 7 of them. And so those 2 come in different packages, but there's 5 of these regular ones to collect. They retail for $29.99, which is decent because they do come with like outfits and different things. But I got these on sale. I paid around $20 for them. They're on sale right now on Amazon. I don't know if they'll still be on sale. I don't know how long the sale's lasting, but I did not pay full price because I never pay full price. And so I was really excited to see that these went down in price. The other 2 haven't yet, so I'm waiting for the other 2 to drop, and that way we can collect our whole set. Okay, so this is series 1. There'll probably be a series 2. This is Rebel Dare. I like that you can see who you're getting because they're just right on the front, and so there's no like mystery or anything. So you can find these everywhere. I've seen them at Walmart, Target, and of course we got ours on Amazon, so they're really easy to find right now. This is Quinn Nash. He's the one boy for the series. Jawsome. That's cool. I wonder if it says that for real. I can't tell what his shorts say. Oh, his shorts say nah 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 everywhere. That's pretty cool. Island Surf? Island Sun? I don't know what it says on his shirt. We'll have to find out. And so here's the back of the box, taking a big bite out of life. That's cool. Welcome to the lifestyles of the plush and glamorous. We've got a soft spot for great fashion. So whether we're hanging with our friends or walking the fuzzy carpet, we always look our best because we're wild for styles. And then you can see right there, collect them all. Oh, he's even got a little band-aid. That is so cute. Oh, this is interesting because she doesn't have the same thing here. It just says, don't mess with me, I control the guest list, and that's all it says, and then a bunch of languages. So that's really interesting.
She is this dog, like the super guard dog ones. I don't know what they're called. I forgot what they're called.
Doberman Pinscher. They're Doberman. So yeah, she's got a Doberman guard dog.
They're so cute.
Alright, so all we have to do is open these up. We're gonna show you. I'm so excited. So you guys, these don't come with confetti, which is so awesome. And they don't come all like curled up in a ball. They come just straight in their package like that. They're just like right there when you open them up. They're so awesome. And they come with a lot of little blind bags. The price is like 6, which is super fun. And so I love just seeing them right in there, super easy to rip open and come right on out. It's keeping his hair nicely. So she's like, what is this? It's like a hairnet. All right, all the surprises, come on out. Ooh, there she is.
She is so pretty. She's got the black
interesting. Oh, I like her like undergarments.
Hers are the least fancy.
Eyes. Yeah, I kind of like the unfancy.
I love the Doberman socks.
You love her little socks. Oh, that is so funny. Look at them.
She got her fingers tattooed.
You also have surprises. She has finger tattoos?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Or rings. They look like rings, maybe.
We'll look at those carefully in a second. Let's get her out. All right, he was like super easy to unhook. There was only a few spots, and then you can pull his thing off. And this is like his hair is really cool looking.
It's like fuzzy.
Oh, this is weird. It is fuzzy. This is like a fuzzy felt. That's super cool. His hair is super hairsprayed. And oh, we cut these tags off. You guys keep your tags. I put them off. I can't stand them. Oh, his hair is super cool. Because it's like a wave. That is so neat. His hair is awesome. I didn't know he was going to be so cool. I couldn't tell from the packaging, like what it actually looked like.
I thought he was
He's got little sharks on his underwear that say Jawsome. He's got sharks. That is so cute. And his Band-Aid. He's got shark socks too. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. Look at his bottom. He's cool. He's super cool. I liked his little shark tooth necklace. He looks so cool. This hair is rooted. The big dolls, their hair is rooted, which is so awesome.
I love the packages, so good.
Alright, so here is the collector's guide, Quinn Nash. See, you can't see his awesome hair because he's got that hat on. He's really cool. I like him way more than I thought. So this is Samantha Smarty. We don't have her yet, so I don't know anything about her. Carmen Linda. I love green, so she's the one I was really wanting to collect. Rebel Dare, that's one of Dolly I really wanted, so we're opening her. And then Coco Bond Sparkle. I also really was excited about her, so we'll show you her too. She's super cool. Awesome. What's nice is that you know who you're getting, so they don't have little symbols or anything. They're just easy to tell.
I feel the power! I have the power!
I love his hair. I love this fuzzy. I'm trying to show you guys it. It's really cool. It is really cool. So I cut his tag off and see, it looks really nice. It looks much nicer. But the back of his head is a little weird. I wish they made the hair go all the way down. But, I mean, I guess that wouldn't be like his style, you know. So there he is. He looks super cool. I like him a lot.
Okay, so I love her jewelry, but her clothing is going to cover all of it, besides one little necklace.
Okay. All right, she's ready to come out, yes?
Yes.
Okay, here she is. Oh,
she's so
super fun. She is really pretty. I'm excited about her. All right, so Dolly got 6 surprises. They all look the same. They're all the same gold. Yes. Same 6 bags. Okay, so here she is. I wish she was smiling or something. I know she's not really meant to, but she's really pretty. She's got her little necklace there.
I like
VIP. It says rock, I think. Yeah, I don't know if they're rings or if they're tattoos. I think they're tattoos. I can't tell.
Rings.
I can't tell, but there's her. Oh, this is nice. There's the underside. So
VIP.
her little bracelets are really pretty. Yeah, there is like a little bit of silver on the side, so maybe they are rings.
Because I don't know who want to get their fingers tattooed.
Oh, a lot of people do. Rock star. So I guess she is a musician, you think? There's her other bracelets. I like to show their undergarments because you guys like to see that, actually. We get comments. So there's everything about her. I'm going to get this tag off. All right, so her hair is really like banana curled in the front and then much more looser in the back. It's very shiny.
It's so pretty.
Oh, it's really soft. Wow. And then there's another like kind of banana curl. So the hair is curled like a little differently in the front than it's the back. But yeah, it's really soft, you guys. This is crazy soft hair. It's nice. It's really nice hair. And I love that it's fruited and I love that it stays. I love these. I'm so excited that we have some new ones to open that are the 11-inch. I love them so much more. Okay, we're going to open the surprises.
Yes! Ooh, I got
if Laysa can make it through it without getting crazy.
Yeah, I got her jacket.
Ooh, nice.
Yes, you too.
Okay. Both open the jacket.
Okay,
ooh, and we got the brush. Ooh, it's purpley.
Shoes!
Dahlia loves the shoes. The shoes are her favorite. No, shoes are really good. We like their shoes. I think that's why I keep collecting them, because I love the shoes.
Yes.
What'd you get? More shoes. Oh yeah, you got the hat and the shoes. Nice.
Got his shirt.
Bags are hard for you to open.
No, just this one. Like the tear strip. It doesn't work. Her skirt, yes.
Okay, so they don't come with very many accessories, just their outfit and their brush. And then they've got their little tag, like talking about their birthday and stuff, but they don't have any other like accessories or anything.
Shirt.
And they only come with one outfit. The other bigger ones came with like a mix of outfits, but
well, I mean, I would assume they would because they're like $70.
yeah, of course. So these are just one outfit.
I love the Doberman hat.
Oh, that's so fun. What a neat hat. Yeah, that is super cool that she's got a hat. Is that all our surprises?
Yes.
All right, so here's everything that the boy comes with. So his little shorts do feel like swim trunks, and they say nah all over them. That's super cool. He's got little shoes, which are really awesome. Little tennis shoes. Oh, they're waves on the side. That's super cool.
Yeah.
I like his jacket.
Looks like a
they
surfer.
are. He's definitely shark themed. He's got this jacket, which is so awesome. I think that is really cute. He's got like a shark kind of brush to me. It says Jossum is his hat. So we take these off because they're kind of weird to hang on the back like of the hat. But his little hat has like a shark fin too. That is so cute. This is like a nice leathery feel. I wasn't expecting it to be kind of a leathery feel. And then here's his shirt, Amity Island Surf Club. So that's super cool. All right, so Laysa's gonna get him dressed. Okay, and here's what Rebel Dare comes with. These are like big honkin' heavy shoes. They're like massive boots. She could like knock somebody out with these. So there they are. They have so much detail. I really like these. They're so cool. Look at that. Ooh, what does it say? Anything? No. That's so cool. And so the other ones are pretty much identical. And so then she's got like her jacket. That's really pretty. I like that. And then her really cute hat. Looks like a dog. But this hat feels like the most like the other hats of the smaller dolls have hats like that. And this tag is up here. Like if it's up there, we could keep it on there. Like, right? Here's her dog brush. It does look like a Doberman. And then she's got a shirt. Na 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 World Tour. That's cool. And then she's got her little leather-like mini skirt, and that's everything she came with. All right, well, the girls get them dressed. I'm going to show you Coco Von Sparkle here. So she's really
gorgeous.
pretty. Her hat does not stay on, like, at all. But there's her hat. I had to cut it in the last video. It was, like, connected there, but it wasn't pretty. It wasn't turned the right way. So that kind of made it better and look a little bit better. I love all the detail on there. She's really pretty. Her hair is really pretty. She's got kind of the same thing Rebel Dare does, is these curls. Banana curls, one on each side, and then her hair straighter. And then here's her clothes. If you want to see her with her clothes off, since it's kind of labor intensive, do check out the other video where we opened her and I showed all of that. There's also pictures on our Instagram where I show her with all her undergarments. Sometimes you guys like to see that, so that's where you can see her undergarments. But here are her shoes, which are super cute because they're little flamingos. She is so cute. So she came with this brush, which was cool. She also had her tag. And then the back of her hair, I love her pink hair. So see how it's a little bit more straight, but it's really pretty. It's not quite as soft as Rebel Dare.
No, it's more like...
Rebel Dare is really soft. This is just like normal hair. Kind of felt like the other ones. Rebel Dare is the softest hair we've felt so far. So here's the back of her, what she looks like. And so that's Coco Von Sparkle. She's so pretty. I really like her. I think she's so pretty. I wish her hat stayed on just a little bit better because I love her hat. Okay, here he is. I like him better with his hat off because I love to see his hair. But there he is with his hat. His hat is cool because I really do like how it feels.
Really nice.
And this doesn't bother me as much as I thought.
Here.
Yeah, it does. And so there he is in his clothes. He looks really nice in his clothes. He looks super good. I wonder if this goes over. I don't know if it would fit all the way over his head. I'd be scared to try because I don't want to ruin his hair, but I really do like his little hoodie there. He's super cute. So that's what he looks like.
And you don't really need the brush for it at all because it's like all like hairspray.
It's really hairspray. Yeah, I would be scared to brush it in case maybe if it got messed up you could, but I wouldn't just like start
maybe,
there.
On the little side.
Maybe.
Or something.
All right, so his hat. The hoodie does not fit on his head, so just so you know.
He reminds me of Draco with a slick back hair.
Yes, from Harry Potter. So here's his tag, Quinn Nash, birthday September 3rd. Taking a big bite out of life. That's so fun, I like that. Okay, so here's Coco Von Sparkles, just so you guys can see her birthday, June 23rd. In a flock of pigeons, be the flamingo. So here is Rebel Dare. Does her hat stay on better? Looks like it does.
Yeah, it stays
it's really
on
soft.
a lot
It goes on pretty good. So
It's
there
so
she is.
fuzzy.
Oh, that's weird. So you can see her necklace, like
a
her
little
little
bit.
thing. That's kind of weird. So her shirt goes on. I love her little jacket. I love her shirt.
I love her skirt.
I love her skirt too. Yeah, that's really pretty. And then her big shoes on her feet with her.
They look like
with her socks. It's so funny. She looks kind of interesting. I don't
She's
know.
so
So here's
cute.
the back of her. Yeah, she is really
black.
cute. And so that's all her stuff. Yeah, she's really dark with all her clothes and everything.
I love it.
I mean, she's supposed to. She's supposed to be a little bit more like gothic looking. You don't like the gothic look?
No.
You like the lighter color, happy. Lisa is. She's really like a bright, vibrant kind of person.
Right, yeah.
So yeah, I can see you would not ever be more gothic like that. And here's her tag, Rebel Dare. Birthday February 13th. Don't mess with me. I control the guest list. That's awesome. She's got some confidence. All right, so here they are one more time. These are the 3 we have so far of the teams. They are really fun. I think they're fun to collect. Some Na 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 dolls I'm not super like stoked about. I try to collect them anyway because the ones that we do, we really love. So it's kind of hit or miss with them, but I think these are really fun.
we're picking time. So obviously this one.
Obviously this one.
Okay, that's so funny. Mine surprised me. Mine's a boy. I really like him. I had no idea he'd be that cool. I love his hair.
Yeah,
I think he's really cool.
He's my second favorite.
I really thought, I really want to collect the green one, so it might change because I really wanted her, and I'm not sure because I don't have her, so I thought it was going to be Coco Von Sparkle would be my favorite. I didn't think it was going to be Rebel Dare necessarily, but I love this boy. He is so cool.
Yeah,
he's super cool. Sometimes the
his
boys
hair.
aren't typically my favorites in the series, but he is. I really like him. Of course, you can't really go wrong with any of them. They're all really kind of nice and fun.
Especially this one.
Yeah, especially if you pick Adalia's favorite, right?
Yes.
Or
Okay.
especially if you
can't go
speak
wrong.
mine.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. So guys have a favorite and which teens you guys have gotten. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye! Hi, Toy Capaders! Have you become a member of the Toy Capades squad yet? Click that red subscribe button and you can be an official Toy Capader. Don't forget to ding the bell and give it a big thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram for bloopers, sneak peeks, behind the scenes, and more. Thanks for watching.